The section of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, 300.5 that you cited applies to underground installations. It does not apply to above-ground installations. For our above-ground installations, the NEC requires that raceways be protected from physical damage. There are several ways to achieve this physical protection. Firstly, raceways can be buried. Secondly, raceways listed for above-ground use can be utilized. Thirdly, providing other means of protection, such as concrete encasement, is acceptable. In this specific scenario, the 4-inch polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, raceways are above ground. These raceways are not listed for above-ground use. As such, the raceways must be protected from physical damage by other means, such as concrete encasement. The 1.5 inches of concrete that was poured over the PVC raceways is not considered sufficient to protect them from physical damage. To be considered adequate protection, the concrete must be at least 2 inches thick. Based on these facts, the installation as described does not meet the requirements of the NEC. To meet code, the raceways must be protected by at least 2 inches of concrete. An alternative would be to bury the raceways, or to use raceways listed for above-ground use.